Minnesota blizzard. We're April 14th, so we're only like half a month away from May. You know the saying, spring showers, May flowers. I don't see no flowers. I see snow. So I have this goal to generate more interest in the things that I'm involved in, and specifically my brand, Socko. I realized that success follows attention, and so in order to create success, I need to create attention. At the bare minimum, brand awareness. So I have a brand, it's called Socko. I know a lot of people have been like, the hell's a Socko, right? Socko. Socko is a definition that means stunningly effective or successful. And I don't know if I explained this before, but I want people to associate my brand with the things that they want to be. So effective and successful is what I want to be, and I think a lot of people in this world want to be, right? Who doesn't want to be successful? So I'm trying to get people's opinion about this whole building brand awareness. One of the ways that I can think of now is with social media is to put it out there to the universe and see what happens. I realize that filming yourself regularly and putting it out there is kind of not so highly looked upon in a small town, but I mean, I'm sure there's other people doing videos and doing what I want to do in this town. And also too, it's a social experiment. How long can I do it? How many people will say stuff about it? Who's gonna have problems with it? What kind of problems am I gonna run into? And all these things I won't know until I get into it. And so the question is, do you think that people in this small town will embrace being filmed, having somebody in their community filming around their community? Or do you think it's just too conservative, closed-minded, that I'm going to have resistance? Also, if you are interested in content, what kind of content are you interested in? Are you interested in daily vlogs, like tutorials? Because that's usually what I'm into. I like to make things. I like to learn about something, figure it out really well, and then do it.